Hi all, welcome to Outlier Daily Report. My name is Mahesh and I'm a co-founder and CEO at Outlier. A little bit about the platform that we have built for traders, investors. Our platform, our algorithms monitors how investors react to changing market conditions, whether it's price movement, whether it's economy, whether it's news, etc. And then our algorithms determine how much fearful or greedy these investors are. We, along with a lot of other traders, they use this information to make better decisions when they are trading. I run this daily show pretty much every day where I go over what's happening around us, what I'm seeing in the market. I briefly go over the dashboard, what I'm seeing in the Outlier dashboard, whether there are any opportunities that I'm seeing right now. So that's what I do every day. And today is one day, like tomorrow we will know who will be the president of United States. So right now, as you know from last week or so, I mentioned that I'll be out of the market, and today's, again, I'll be just sitting on the sidelines looking what's happening, where the market will go. So let's get started. So again, elections are all over us, like in the news. You have majority of the traditional media is pro-democratic, and you will see a lot of positive news about Democrats on that side and negative news about the Republicans. When you change to like Twitter or some of these other platform, you will see a lot of pro-Republican news, etc. So right now it's kind of very hard to gauge, right, which way wind is flowing. So we will know tomorrow. So as I said, right now there's no clear visibility of who will form the government. So it's better, at least that's what I think, it's to just stay out of it. You may see a lot of opportunities popping around here and there, but personally I would just stay out of it. I look into, on the business side of it today, Dow drops 200 points as investors brace for election day. I mean, pretty much it's there. There are some day traders that are benefiting from some of these opportunities right now. Uh, Boeing strike is still going on. I don't know when they're gonna resolve it, but it just keep on going on. Intel got kicked out of Dow Jones. Nvidia is taking its place. It's a bad news for Intel. Let's see where how far it will fall. Whether it will be able to recover anytime soon. Years of, they have to do years of things that they did to the company. So we'll see. There was this interesting report that came out. So this is one website I personally follow, Hindenburg Research. Usually what happens, they have built so much following. Whatever they touch or whatever report they publish, it's the stock drops like a rock once the report comes out. So this report came today. It's about this company called Pax Group. Apparently, according to them, there's some scam going on. It's a very detailed report. If you're interested, you can look at it. I mean, if you look at the stock for this company today, I mean, it's no wonder it is dropping like a rock. And 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 they know that, and they disclose, like when you go over their report, right? So one of their disclosure is this: after extensive research, we have taken a short position in shares of Pax Group Inc. They stand to make money every time they know that they are publishing this report. So what they do, they do a very good job actually. They look into public filings, they interview formal employees, they look into some non-traditional way of where the information is. They collect that information, The biggest thing is, I always wonder how they find their targets, but it's very interesting, personally interesting to me, that what they do. And they disclose that they are taking a short position there. I mean, I have been looking at some of their past reports. Every time there's a report that comes out, the stock goes down. There has been a lot of companies that got um, on their radar recently. One of them is this SPACs, which uh, today Roblox, you have Supermicro, SMCI, and the story, how it is right now around 26 $27. It was probably a lot higher than this. um, there are a lot of other companies that came on their radar, as you can see, and this is the latest one. So if you are interested, you can go to hindenburgresearch.com and check it out. And as I said, right now today, just because of the election, I'm not even looking at um, uh, any opportunity. Just wanted to give you a quick update. We have a major update coming for our dashboard, which will become live next week. This is just a quick sneak peek of how it's gonna look. We're still working on it, but you will see a lot of cool things. For example, lot of our charts are gonna be at one place, so you don't have to go back and forth between different tabs. You will be able to see a lot of information here. You will be able to We have also added the news. You will be able to see the news. You will be able to not only see the news, but also the sentiment for the news as well. Analyst ratings will be there. You'll be able to take notes if you have um, some notes that you want to take for that stock. You can do that right there. You will be able to see bull bear list right on the page, so that you can select the stock, look at the chart, make better decisions. So a lot of cool things are coming up, and once we go live with it, I'll start giving a little bit more demo right on this daily show as well, so that you all get familiar with what I'm saying. But I can tell you one thing: this is like very, very powerful data right at your fingertips. And this data, it's not available anywhere else. So if you have not claimed your annual pass, I would do so. There is a discount, still a discount going on. It will be, prices are going to go up, uh, I think in a day or so. So if you have not purchased it yet, you want to do that. So that's all for today. Again, I don't want to go over like what I'm seeing in the market, just because it's just the election is like tomorrow. Like the results are gonna be out tomorrow, so I'm just avoiding it altogether personally. So I'll start like talking about market breadth, other data from potentially on from Wednesday onwards. So that's kind of like I have in my mind. So thanks all for joining, and I will all I will see you all tomorrow. And again, tomorrow I'll just cover something just from the news cycle, and then I'll come back to our daily, analysis of the dashboard from most probably from Wednesday onwards. Thanks all, and hey, afternoon, Tug. Thanks for joining, and I will see you all on